How to contact Ulta Beauty Services by email. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow to contact Ulta Beauty Services. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, what we can do is we can just go and search for Ulta Guest Services and look out for it and hit enter. And look out for this one, customer service, email and support options. That should open up that page directly. So here it will directly give us this form, this contact form. That does not usually use a public direct email. Instead, they use a form. So here we'll need to enter up our name first, provide it up. After that, your email address. Once you have done so, you need to provide in mobile number, which is optional, and your Ulta Beauty Rewards ID as well, which is optional, and your order number or bag ID, which is also optional. You can see these options and fill it up. And also I can select up a topic. What topic is it? For rewards program, salon, or anything. And what do you need help with? So select up a subtopic. After that, then you can select which option best describes your issue. So you can just go and select a sub option for that, for example, not receiving emails. After that, here you can just go over and provide in more description. Select your issue and you can write in your message in the section. After that, click on this option called submit, and your message will directly go to their support team. After that, you just need to wait for a reply. They'll respond to your email usually within a few days. Some commonly used support emails include support service@ulta.com, get help@ulta.com, and do not include your credit or gift card numbers in your message. You can include helpful details like order number, product name, and your description of the issue. And that's it. Usually, this is how you should be able to use their email services. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.